In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop without Stripe or PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, how to set up a bank or alternative payout method, and how to get your funds moving smoothly to your account. First, sign into your Whop account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but a desktop browser often makes the setup steps easier to see the first time. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard. From the dashboard, open the Finance section, then go to Payouts. This is the hub for everything related to withdrawing your money. If you don't immediately see Payouts, expand the Finance menu and look for anything labeled Payouts or Withdrawals. Next, review the available withdrawal methods shown for your account. Depending on your region and account type, you may see options like direct bank transfer or other alternative payout services. If you don't see a specific method, it may not be supported for your location, or you may need to complete additional verification first. Quick note: if you need the link to Whop's website, you'll find it right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct page quickly. Now set up your preferred payout method. Add your bank details or connect the alternative method offered to you. Follow the prompts carefully and complete any required identity or business verification. Make sure the name on the payout method matches your account details to prevent delays or failed transfers. Before you withdraw, check your balance. Confirm you have available funds, not just pending earnings. Pending funds haven't cleared yet and won't be withdrawable. Also take a moment to note any minimum withdrawal amounts or processing fees that may apply to your selected method. When you're ready, click Withdraw or Payout. Choose your payout method from the list, enter the amount you want to transfer, then review everything one more time. Double check the destination details and the amount to avoid corrections later. When it all looks good, confirm the withdrawal. At this point, your funds move into processing. Timelines can vary by method and bank, but you'll typically see a status update in the Payouts section. Keep an eye out for any emails or notifications in case further verification is requested. Finally, the money arrives in the account or service you selected. Check your bank or payout balance to confirm, and you're done. That's the full process for withdrawing money from Whop without Stripe or PayPal. If this helped, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.